Oh boy, we have some unboxing to do. A lot of cables made by Gopala and provided by Dongguan Lontion Electronic in China. So a lot of cables. Here, for example, we have Gopala power cables and USB-C 3.0, three cables. So let's start with that. And as I've said before in other videos from Dongguan, is that you can find links down below in the description text of this video to find links where you can buy these very cheap. So go check that out, and you find links to all these packaging down below in the description text of this video. So here are 3 USB 3.0 cables. So let's see. Really nice packaging, as usual from Dongguan or Gopala. Here we see it's braided cables. They are really nice. So check this out, how nice they are. Ooh, really nice. Really nice. Check this out. Braided cables from Gopala. Can it be better? So these are really nice quality. And here you see USB 3.0 and USB Type-C. Really nice quality. I love them. This is nice. And another one is here. Really nice. Nice quality. Really nice quality. And the third one, I think they are the same length, all 3 in this package. Yes, they are. And very nice quality, as I said. Very nice quality. I love this quality. Really nice. Okay, so here are 6 pieces of Gopala micro USB cables. So let's see how they look. Let's start by opening the packaging. Really nice packaging. And as you can see, micro USB to USB cable, 5 foot. So all these are 5 foot, 6 cables in total. And as I said, see the links down below where you can buy these very cheap. I mean 6-pack of micro USB cables for a really nice and low price. Go check that out. I will have links to all them down below in the description text. As you can see, 6 cables and all are braided. Wow! Check this out. Really smooth and nice color, looks like silver. So these are really cool. And here we have micro USB and USB 2.0, I think. So these are micro USB cables for those that have such accessories or phones and so on that has micro USB. For example, I have some headphones that I charge with micro USB and some power banks and all that. So this is pretty handy to have. And all the rest are exactly the same length and the same colors and so on, as you can see. Really nice. So this is a 6 packaging of micro USB cables. Really nice. Really nice. Check this out. Yeah, so great to have all these cables. So very good. Okay, the next packaging is 6 pieces again, and this time is a power cable USB-C 2.0. So I think it could be that the USB-C cable has a USB 2.0 in the other end this time, but it has a 6 package. So go check the link out, really nice. I see it's really nice colors also. As you can see here, braided USB-C cables to USB cable, really nice. They are different length, as you can see. Really nice. So check this out. The first one, yes, it's red color braided cable, really nice. And you have a USB Type-C connector in that end and a USB 2.0 in that end. So really nice color. And here we have a smaller version, and micro USB and USB 2.0. Nice. And oh, a pink USB Type-C cable to USB 2.0. Really nice. Check this out. Quite cool to have. Yeah. And here we have a red one again. And quite long. Really long and very useful to have in that length. And as you can see, USB 2.0 and USB Type-C. Really nice. And we have a really short one here. Check this out, really short. And this is very useful to have. I mean, I love the shorter versions of cables because they don't take so much space and so on. It looks ugly when connecting a really long cable and so on. So sometimes you need to have these smaller versions of these. So this is nice. USB Type-C and USB 2.0. Really nice. And here we have a pink one again. Really nice. And it's a USB 2.0 and a USB Type-C. Really nice. Check this out. Check this out. A lot of cables, very cheap. Go check the links down below to buy all these. And we still have 6 pieces more to unbox. And this time it's the same here, USB Type-C 2.0. And these are not braided, but looks more like original cables you get with your phone and so on, as you can see. Apple stylish, and if you know what I mean. So check this out. Nice. 3 foot and 6.6 foot in length. So let's check them out. Here we have 3 foot, about a meter long, and as you can see, very high quality. Looks like original cables from Huawei or something, or even Samsung actually. So this is really nice. And one more, shorter one. As you can see, USB Type-C and USB 2.0. Really nice. And one more. A shorter version. Feels really good. And one more. Shorter version. And USB Type-C, USB 2.0. And one more. Really nice. I love the quality, really. It feels very, very professional and very good build quality in this. And one more. The last one is huge, really long. As you can see, really long, so I like it. This could be useful sometimes when you need to connect something far away, for example, or if you need to have the phone connected while charging and use it a bit far from it. So that's it. A lot of cables from Gopala, made by Gopala and distributed by Dongguan Lontion Electronic in China. Go check the links down below in the description text and go and connect everything you have with all these cables. Really nice. Okay, bye.